Lily, come here. Where are you going? Oh, she found the toys. Lily. Lily. Lily girl. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? Lily, where's Mama? Where's Mama? Come here, you. Lily. You want to try to get underneath the couch? You can't fit. What are you doing, silly? Huh? You looking for toys under there? You can't find the toy you want in the toy box? You silly girl. Look hard. Look hard for it. Where is he? Where is that toy you want? You gonna get Mommy? Where are you going?